You got both cameras on?
Yep.
All right, everybody, we're gonna do the, we did the spray buffing, the spray capping. Now we're gonna do the extraction with this is VLM water extraction. So here we go. Somebody up here wasn't supposed to, but they had a pet anyway. And there's pet hair anywhere, which means we get the bill for a pet treatment.
They're posted after too.
Yeah, tomorrow or the next day. We're gonna come back up here and do some more, and it will be on video. Good deal. Okay, back to the business.
Oh, where the bucket was at.
Okay, hang on. The thing is if you guys only knew, this extractor did all the living room, but a third of it. It did a hallway, it did 2 big bedrooms on one fill up. Let me see here. I don't know if you can see this or not, but if you can, that's what the water looks like. Let's see if the other camera will show it. There's your dirty water, and there is a lot of it. Let me go get this down the toilet, I'll be right back.
Pour it slowly.
Hey Joe, you entertain everybody.
Yeah, pour that slow so you don't mess that toilet up or you have to clean it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna vacuum all those little black, that's fur that got pulled up. It's so deep down that the vacuum cleaners really don't touch it.
What's that?
The fur on the carpet, that's that brush on that
It pulls it up.
extractor, it's stiffer.
aggressive.
It digs deeper and it pulls up stuff your vacuum usually misses, so.
But these extractors will outwork any vacuum, period.
Yeah, in fact, you can just disconnect the vacuum, lift the cap up, and you can use them to scrub your carpets when you're doing a pre-spray. They work really good to scrub the pre-spray in, so.
Well, about the only thing that really competes with these things would be a CRB. CRB it'll do a number 2.
We'll get going so we don't run out of
Oh,
water.
I got that water. I'm flat. Out of water. Oh.
That's just excuse.
That's why I told you to fill that bucket up for me while I was cleaning with doing the spray cabinet. Boy.
I'll go here and put this. Just hold up, you see that? That's the remote control. It has all the controls to control that gimbal. That this camera right here is on. And the other one's set, it automatically tracks you around. This one has tracking too. But it also has the remote control so you can control where the camera goes. So we use it for like complete control, and the other one, it just it tracks you, but it likes to track people's faces, so sometimes it doesn't look down on the equipment very good.
I ain't filled this up because we only got a little room left to do.
Now get that corner over there.
Oh well, hang on. Excess water on this. Oh. Oh, now these machines, people talk about all the work involved. There's no work with these. They're easy to use. They're easy to fill, dump, and all that stuff. There's not a hassle with them whatsoever. They work remarkable too. Don't let anyone tell you they don't work. They work. Keep in mind, I'm only pushing the spray button when I go backwards. When I go forwards, I don't push the button. If you do it like that, where you spray going backwards only, you'll put the amount of water down you need to do an extraction, but you won't overwet the carpet. Your dry time will be like an hour, which is very fast for any kind of water extraction. So, that's how we do it. All right. No, I think I'm done. Let me, since I got so much water, let me run over this. The traffic lane area is always where you want to put any extra effort into. Man, there's hair everywhere up here. We're gonna have to come back into a serious vacuuming tomorrow.
That's another video, maybe.
It's another video. Hang on here, we're not done. So we'll come back tomorrow, do a serious vacuuming job. Put down, we were using a pet treatment today, but we'll put down one with a heavy deodorizer. Probably bonnet clean the place. Maybe just in here, because I don't, unless there's, I have to look, if there's not hairs in the bedrooms, I'm not gonna do a pet procedure in the bedrooms, but in here, there's definitely pet everywhere. I think there is in some of the bedrooms, so we will do a heavy procedure. We'll put down some good desert rain. Thank you, Mac, for that. And and we'll you take it off?
No, I just figured people ought to see it.
Okay.
There's
Oh,
the
here.
other one. And it's following him around. And
Oh, hold on,
there's,
you're in the way, so.
yeah, go ahead.
Oh,
He maybe follow me now. There he goes.
run it all over the room.
And this one's
You want one of these? They're $550. But they work up to like 35 or 40 feet. So they're worth it. If you get right up on it though,